Let's see what tractors are on site today. All right, we've got the Kubota M5 111 at $90,000. It was way too expensive. Actually, I think it was a little bit more with those back hydraulics. And then the good old M8540, which is behind the tractor, which is amazing, and we love it. Pre-admissions, been there for a while. This is, I don't know what that is. I know that's a Ford, but that is not our tractor. That's a gentleman who comes here to plant corn in our very small 2-acre cornfield that happens to have a zip line in the middle of it, which is not really typical of a cornfield, but we like it. There's Kenton out there. This disc is not very aggressive at all, and we still have a little bit too much corn stubble on this side because it's kind of hard to disc, and he chisel plowed it in the beginning. That's no good, whatever that is. I think they said they put a blade on backwards. This over here disced up a lot better. Still a lot of stubble, but we leave everything on the field over the winter. So we actually had quite a bit of material on there that we subsoiled in. We subsoiled down about 12 to 18 inches, depending on what it would let us go down. There's a few hard spots in there, and there's actually a wet spot in the back there. There's a swamp in that tree row, and this is where we put our corn maze. We got ginger golds and galas over here, and they're pruning them out right now. They've been thinning very aggressively, too aggressively for the ginger golds, and but the galas seem to be coming out pretty good. I'll show you what I mean. You can see all these apples on the ground here. These are apples that have fallen off from the June drop.